Hello, my name is Bolhuis. I do technical sales support for the SuperTrak team, and I'm here today to talk to you about maintenance of the SuperTrak shuttle. So as you can see here, we have a SuperTrak shuttle on the SuperTrak linear motor section, and I will start with showing the ease of removal of the shuttle with the shuttle removal tool, which is already installed on the shuttle. So with the shuttle removal tool, all that you need to do is simply grab it with both hands and use the leverage of the tool to overcome the magnetic attractive force of the magnets to the iron core of the linear motor. So on the SuperTrak shuttle, the only moving parts of the whole system are the four wheels. You can see there are two flat wheels on the bottom and two V wheels on the top. The V wheels are actually lubricated by this felt piece in the middle of the shuttle, which is spring loaded. So it is in constant contact with the V rail, and it acts as a means to clean the rail, but also to lubricate it. And as you'll notice in the top, there is a hole here, which you can use for putting drops of oil in for the lubrication. The life expectancy of these wheels is different for the V wheel than it is for the flat. The flat wheel life expectancy is 25,000 kilometers, whereas the V wheel is 50,000 kilometers. And the reason the V wheel has a longer life expectancy is because of the oil lubrication. After the 25 or 50,000 kilometers, we expect the radius of the wheel to decrease by approximately 50 microns. So whether or not that is critical to your application is dependent upon the application. Next, the other wear parts of the shuttle are the two anti-static brushes and that felt. As I mentioned, the felt is in constant contact with the V-rail, and therefore it will wear over time. The anti-static brushes are here to dissipate any static charge buildup that will occur from the shuttle moving around the system and going through the air. So these anti-static brushes will dissipate that charge to the V-rail, which is grounded. Over time, these anti-static brushes can become worn or filled with gunk, and therefore will need to be replaced. Aside from that, there are no other wear parts on the shuttle, so any other replacements would only be if something is damaged.